Yagni benta jongga kubor la wanraj pi daga fatafat online shopping store.
Unang ilam jongga Mekhlia Diplomatic Alliance ubulong ru umati rang ba jongga jela Conrad sangma ulakaran syai baka jinyolong Myntri haka kanun sarkar ka Shong haki parti baki dan lande ki parti ki baki trailang Conrad long baka MDA ka laila haki parti baper bakin diet Iano menyolong Myntri ban baka Shong pat akini ki parti Iano bakin Phah yake mene banlong ki Myntri nakaleng ki MDA ka prang be yake ki bakini ki parti ki Phah kini kecik mensajo Conrad kalong hadin ba kalakut ke asnam siteng nakamata kejia kot menyolong Myntri haki parti baper.
No, we are very clear in our stand as a party, as a MDA, and me as the Chief Minister, that we have told all our partners that there is a quota for each of the political parties, and based on that quota, the numbers have been given to them. It will be the decision of that particular political party as to who would be the minister in that particular quota. And that is not something that I as Chief Minister will intervene, but it will be a political decision of the respective political
What's this